Tingala. Yan, very good. Normal is about 90 degrees. May pain po ba?
Medyo po.
Okay. Gano'ng kataas? 1 to 10? 10 yung highest.
3.
3. Okay. Something na may nagbabother lang ng konti. So, ito ay aagapan natin. This one. Masakit ba ito?
Medyo po.
This is your cervical 7 and cervical 6. A tech neck syndrome. Tech neck, ibig sabihin, technology, syndrome, naka-cellphone, naka-trabaho, nang naka-slouch. Aagapan lang natin ito para at least mawala yung tension at ma-prevent natin sa kung ano yung mas malalang kondisyon na pwedeng mangyari. Alright? Sige. Exhale. Good. Exhale. Good. Very nice. Good. Nice. That's your number 3. Relax or stretch. Nice.